My name's Clay Rhein, and I'm the sales manager here at Millwork Sales in Orlando. Day to day is pretty unpredictable. Just multiple calls from our outside staff and our inside staff, working through issues, price competitive situations, just kind of navigating through the day with them so they can sell our products more effectively. We're unique in our marketplace just because of our long-standing relationships that we have with our customers. Majority of our employees have been here for multiple years. Those long-standing relationships are with individuals on the inside desk or the outside reps. We're a small, more family-oriented business. A lot of the people here have been here, close to as long as I've been. So, there's multiple people here that have been here longer than the 23 years I've been here, and there's people that have been here for, 10 plus years. So, we're able to retain and keep people happy with their jobs. Customers, great to work with, great people. We've had